Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Patron Hub. I am your teacher AMZ, and I welcome to our first series called Introduction to Textile Design. This is our first session of the series, so I welcome you all and I hope that you can learn from it and we can grow together. So let's start. In this series, we are going to learn that what textile design is and how you can use the knowledge which I will provide you to create beautiful designs and patterns which are ready to print. So let's see. Textile design is a art form basically. It is a creative art form which includes the process of creating designs and patterns for fabrics, or even you can use it for different journals, maybe curtains, upholstery, or home textiles, whatever you like. Okay, so it requires a deep understanding of what color theory is, what is texture, and how you can make the prints using the right tools and techniques. So the tools here are, we will basically use two softwares only, Photoshop and Illustrator. In the coming classes I will teach you practically on Photoshop and Illustrator so that we can have more in-depth knowledge of how to create designs. So moving forward, we are also going to learn about textile materials. From cotton to silk, wool to linen, there are a wide variety of materials which are natural and as well as man-made as well, which includes polyester and all the artificial fabrics. Okay, so there's a difference difference of printing on natural and artificial materials basically. The biggest difference is that on, for example, a polyester, which is an artificial man-made material, on polyester fabric, the result of printing is much brighter than on cotton fabric. So it is basically one of the major differences. So yeah, in the coming classes, we are also going to learn about that. The power of color. As I told you before, color theory is a very important part of textile design. We are going to learn about what color theory is and how it impacts your design. When, for example, whenever you go to buy your clothes, what do you look at? Do you look at the color first or you look at the print first? Honestly, in my opinion, I look at the color first. If I love the color, that's it. Design doesn't matter. It matters, but I think it is of secondary importance. But what you look first is the color, and then you look at the design, right? So yeah, we are going to learn about the importance of colors, what is color theory, and how you can create different palettes using primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Okay, creating patterns. Pattern is the foundation of textile design. They are simple as well as complex, geometrical, organic, floral. There are many types of patterns. So we are going to learn about that on Photoshop as well. And guess what? I'm going to teach you a lot of shortcuts which will help you save a lot of time, and you can create your designs very quickly. So yeah, that's it for this class. Textile design is a limitless world of creativity. So if you enjoy being creative, stay with me throughout this session, and I hope to see you all throughout the journey.